How to create a baby and kids e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just click on login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next and you give it a few seconds to load. To proceed, to type in your password. So as you can see, it's loading, and after typing your password you click on login. After logging in, the first step you go through to create your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. After that, you have here a question and 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you do the same with this other question. And then here you have a list of categories. Choose the one that is related to the items that you will be selling. So mine is about baby and kids, so here it is, kid and baby. And if you can't find your category in here, you just click on other, then you click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build up your store. So guys, this platform will need you to be patient. It takes a little bit of time to load. And here, as you can see, this is the dashboard, your dashboard, and in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and the two of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have here nine sections, each one and its use. So I'm going to explain these sections first, and then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start by a website, and it's where you can also proceed to the editing phase, and you can change your domains or set up a new domain name if you want. Then you have the items section. It's where you can create sites items or products. As you know, items means products. You can create new products in this section, and if you want to categorize these products, you can go to sites categories and you can do that. Then you have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences, and that's it for this section. Then you have orders. It's where you can check all of your orders, the fulfilled one, the cancelled one, the shipped one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section. It's where you can set up your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then you have the reports. It's where you have the site's traffic reports, site's activity, sources, online sales, and site's items and abandoned carts, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary and you will find them summarized. So that's it for this section. Let's proceed to the next one, which is marketing, and it's where you have the email, automated ads, mailing lists, and basically every tool that is related to growing your audience. And if you want to see the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary. Then you have the communications section. It's where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then you have the settings, and it's where you can have the general settings, where you can set your company name and your address, your email, and your phone number. So just give it a few seconds to load. As I said before, you will need to be patient with this platform. And here, as I said, you can set up your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of the store. Then we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And just give it a few seconds to load. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. And just ignore this setup guide. If you want to go through it, there is no problem. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And as you can see, this is the first thing we will be able to do, which is choosing the site styles. But before that, wait for the site to be loaded, and then you decide which style you will go with. So this is how the store looks. So let's see which one of these styles I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use this one, and hide styles and check if it fits your store. I think this one fits me good. Then click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site design, where you can change the site style again, and you can also add an image to be your logo, change the colors, fonts. So I'm going to change the fonts. I don't like this one. I'm going to change it to Comforta. Here it is, Comforta. Then if you want to play with these sizes and scales and adjustments, you can do that. Then when you're done, you click on done. And I'm going also to change the shape of the buttons from pale to rounded, and the shape of images from sharp to rounded. Then click on done. And if you want to change the site's elements also, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid one to do that. And click on done when you're done, and close this one, dismiss all, again dismiss. And here, if you want to create new sections, you can press the plus button, and if you want to change the ones that you already have, you can do that by clicking on the one that you want to adjust. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.